I've got good news for everyone. Guys, you see, if you see Peter Obi, right, the way he talk calmly with his tiny voice and his gentle composure, sometimes you think you are tempted to say maybe he doesn't know what he's doing. That guy is very calculative and extremely intelligent. Guy, Peter Obi had just filed 50 grants of appeal at the Supreme Court, challenging the judgment of appeal court that upheld, the election of that produced Pablo Escobar. Guys, I'm gonna bring the video to you guys. I beg you, watch this video to the end. Listen to the end so that you see where we are going, the direction we are going with Peter Obi, the direction Nigeria is going with Peter Obi, not Pablo Escobar. Peter Obi is my president. If before you listen to this news, I want to type it. If you believe Peter Obi, you believe on this mandate, you believe we require his mandate is your president, type it. Type it at the comment section. Peter Obi is my president. So, if you believe Peter Obi is your president, type it. Number two, watch this video to the end so that you see the intelligent appeal. This guy, 50 grants of appeal, 50 grants of appeal, challenging Pablo Escobar. Let Supreme Court, let them not do the needful. Let them follow appeal court. Let them not do the needful and see what will happen. Maybe some person think this country belongs to them. So Peter Obi and his lawyer, they have gone to the drawing board to re-strategize 50 grants of appeal. They cannot touch too much. Guy, watch this video. Before you watch this video, now please, the first you have to do for others to also follow up, like the video and share it. Do it that now. Like the video, share it, and please follow me on YouTube also. Should there be an issue on Facebook, you should be able to catch up with me on YouTube. Go straight to YouTube now. After the end of this video, as it is on Facebook, Holy Ghost on, so it is on YouTube, Holy Ghost on. Search me out and follow me. God bless you. According to Sahara Reporter, Peter Obi of Labour Party 550 grants of appeal at Supreme Court against tribunal judgment upholding Tinubu's election. The suit marked number CAPEPC 03/2023 was filed by Obi and the Labour Party through their lead counsel, Dr. Levi Uzoku-san. The Labour Party and its presidential candidate in the 2023 presidential election, Peter Obi, have filed 50 grants of appeal at the Supreme Court against the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, which upheld the election of President Bola Tinubu. The notice of appeal partly read, "Take notice that the appellant, being dissatisfied with the decision in petition number CAPEPC 03/2023, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi and Anno V. Independent National Electoral Commission and OROS in bracket consolidated with election petition number CAPEPC 0/04/2023 and CA/PEPC/05/2023 contained in pages 3 to 327 of the judgment of the Court of Appeal, sitting as the Presidential Election Petition Court, holding at Abuja, Koram, H.S. Sanami, Stephen Jonah Ada, Misitura, Omodere Bolaji Yusuf, Bolo Kurama Moses Ugo, and Abba Bello Mohammed, JJ-CA, in bracket, the court below, delivered on the 6th day of September 2023, and more particularly stated in paragraph 2 of this notice of appeal, do hereby appeal to the Supreme Court on the grounds set out in paragraph 3, and we, at the hearing of the appeal, seek the relief sought in paragraph 4 hearing. Peter Obi and the Labour Party, in their petition challenging the victory of Tinubu in the 2023 presidential election, argued that the electoral body INEC failed to transmit election results from the polling unit to the collation center electronically. However, The court on Wednesday, September 6, said the law does not require INEC to transmit results by electronic means. The defendant is at liberty to decide how it will transmit election results, the court held. The court also held that it was irrelevant that President Tinubu failed to score 25% of the vote cast in at least 2/3 of the state of the federation and the federal capital territory Abuja. Guys, please permit me to just pause a little before I want to comment on what I've read before something drew my attention before I proceed. Now, I've done a video on this. I repeat, how can a PCOS say 25% is not relevant? I've just read it now for Sarah reporters. 25% was not relevant. Does that make sense? In the case between Obasanjo and the Buhari 2003 or so, I think so, 2007, yeah. In the case that the court said that to be a president, 25% is, is compulsory in Abuja. But appeal court said no. Anyway, let's see what Supreme Court is going to do regarding this. Let me proceed with my reading. Sarah reporters had reported that Peter Obi and the Labour Party prayed the court to declare him as the candidate that secured the majority of the lawful vote cast with the required constitutional spread of not less than 25% of the vote cast in at least 2/3 of the state of the federation and the federal capital territory Abuja. But in this ruling, the court held that it was irrelevant. It agreed with the argument of the respondent that the FCT does not enjoy a special status, that Abuja is inhabited by Nigerians, and that Abuja does not enjoy any special privilege. The tribunal also ruled that the Labour Party and Obi failed to prove that Tinubu was convicted of money laundering in the United States. The 5-man panel led by Justice Haruna Samadi ruled that no record of criminal arrest or conviction was established against Tinubu by the petitioner, Obi and Labour Party. The petitioner had also argued that Tinubu was not legally qualified to contest the election, alleging that he was previously convicted and fined the sum of $460,000 by the United States District Court, Northern District of Illinois, Eastern Division in case number 96C4483 for an offense involving dishonesty and drug trafficking. With regard to that, the court said there were no record of Tinubu's arrest in the US. Regarding the allegation, the court said Tinubu still enjoy unintended, I can't see that place where, unintended asset to the US, so it was discontinuous. The court held that the petitioner failed to show that Tinubu was charged, found guilty, or sentenced to jail for the alleged offense relating to drug trafficking. Guys, I'm sure you have read it now. So Peter Obi has gone to court now to challenge the sick judgment, quack judgment of Justice Samadi. Let us see if the Chief Justice is not going to complete the game Tinubu has started. For me, I don't have any hope. I don't see any good coming that I don't see. But let's believe God and see, because what God cannot do does not exist. God bless you guys for watching. Please do me a favor. Ensure you search me out on YouTube right now. Should there be an issue on Facebook, you should be able to catch up my update on YouTube. Holy Ghost Son on YouTube, just as it is on Facebook. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.